Let's kick things off by understanding why an 800 plus CIBL score is such a big deal in India. Unlike the FICO system used in the US, Indian banks rely on the CIBL score to decide your financial fate. With a score above 800, you're not just another customer, you're a VIP. This opens doors to the lowest interest rates on home and car loans from top banks like SBI and HDFC. Plus, you get access to exclusive invite-only credit cards such as HDFC Infinia or Axis Magnus. In short, a high CIBIL score is your golden ticket to premium financial products and a smoother banking experience. If you're a student or just starting your career, building a CIBIL score from scratch can seem daunting. But there's a smart way to begin: the FD-backed credit card. Banks like IDFC First and One Card offer credit cards against a small fixed deposit, sometimes as low as 5,000. This means you don't need income proof to get started. It's a safe, low-risk way to enter the credit world and start building your score. Just remember, responsible usage is key. Pay your bills on time and keep your spending in check. And now Pay Later BNPL apps like LazyPay or Amazon Pay Later are everywhere, but overusing them can hurt your CIBL score. These services are treated as personal loans, and having too many can lower the quality of your credit mix. If you're just starting out, focus on traditional credit cards or FD-backed cards instead. Use BNPL sparingly and always pay off your dues on time. Remember, your goal is to build a strong, healthy credit profile that banks trust. One of the golden rules for a great CIBIL score is keeping your credit utilization below 30%. If your card limit is one lakh, try not to spend more than 30,000 before your bill is generated. High utilization signals risk to banks and can drag your score down. If you have a big purchase coming up, consider paying off part of your bill before the statement is generated. This keeps your reported utilization low and your score healthy. Here's a smart hack. If you know you'll be spending a lot in a month, pay off part of your credit card bill before your statement is generated. This way, your utilization ratio stays low and the banks see you as a responsible borrower. It's a simple move that can make a big difference in your CIBIL score over time. CIBIL doesn't just look at how much you borrow, it also cares about what you borrow. Having only credit cards unsecured debt is fine, but adding a small secured loan like a gold loan or auto loan can give your score a real boost. A balanced mix of credit types shows banks you can handle different kinds of debt responsibly, helping you move from a good score to an excellent one. Let's break down the difference. Secured loans are backed by assets like gold or a car, while unsecured loans include credit cards and personal loans. CIBIL scores favor those who manage both types well. If you only have credit cards, consider adding a small secured loan to your profile. This diversity can help you climb from 750 to 800 plus faster. Regularly checking your CIBIL report is crucial. Many Indians discover loans on their report that they never took. These are called ghost loans. Use trusted apps like Cred, OneScore, or the official CIBIL website to review your report every few months. Spotting errors early can save you from future headaches and protect your score. Every time you apply for a new credit card or loan, the bank makes a hard inquiry on your CIBIL report. Too many hard inquiries in a short period can lower your score. So, avoid applying for multiple cards at once. Space out your applications and only apply when you really need to. CIBIL uses several factors to calculate your score: payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, credit mix, and recent inquiries. Each factor has its own weight, but timely payments and low utilization are the most important. Understanding this formula helps you focus on what matters most for your score. Paying your bills on time is non-negotiable. Even one missed payment can hurt your CIBIL score for years. Set reminders or automate payments to make sure you never miss a due date. Consistency is key to building and maintaining a high score. The longer you've had credit, the better. Banks trust borrowers with a proven track record, so keep your oldest credit card active even if you don't use it much. Closing old accounts can actually lower your score by shortening your credit history. Joint accounts or co-signed loans can be risky. If the other person misses a payment, your CIBIL score takes a hit too. Only co-sign if you fully trust the other person and can monitor the account regularly. With an 800 plus CIBIL score, you'll start receiving pre-approved loan and credit card offers. These offers usually come with lower interest rates and better terms, but don't accept every offer. Choose only what fits your needs and budget. top-tier CIBIL score unlocks access to premium credit cards like HDFC Infinia or Axis Magnus. These cards offer exclusive perks, airport lounge access, higher rewards, and luxury benefits. But remember, these cards often come with high annual fees, so make sure the benefits outweigh the costs for your lifestyle. As your score improves, banks may offer to increase your credit limit. Accepting a higher limit can actually help your score by lowering your utilization ratio, but don't use this as an excuse to overspend. Responsible usage is still key. When you close a loan, make sure the bank updates your CIBIL report. Sometimes, closed loans still appear as active, which can confuse lenders and hurt your score. Always get a closure certificate and check your report after closing any loan. If you spot a mistake on your CIBIL report, dispute it immediately through the official CIBIL website. Provide all necessary documents and follow up until the error is corrected. Quick action can prevent long-term damage to your score. Paying only the minimum due on your credit card is a trap. Interest piles up quickly and your outstanding balance can balloon. Always pay the full amount due to avoid debt traps and keep your CIBIL score healthy. Settling a loan or credit card for less than the full amount owed is a red flag for CIBIL. It signals financial distress and can drop your score significantly. Always aim to pay your dues in full or negotiate with your lender for better terms if you're struggling. Checking your CIBIL score once every 3 to 6 months is a good habit. This helps you catch errors early and track your progress. Frequent checks through official channels or trusted apps do not hurt your score. While your income isn't directly part of your CIBIL score, it does affect your eligibility for loans and cards. Higher income can get you better offers, but your score still depends on how you manage your credit. Students can start building credit early with FD-backed cards or add-on cards from parents. Responsible usage from a young age sets you up for financial success later. Always pay on time and keep utilization low. Taking too many loans or credit cards at once can make you look risky to banks. Space out your applications and focus on managing what you have well. Quality matters more than quantity when it comes to credit. Credit is a powerful tool when used wisely. Borrow only what you can repay, pay on time, and keep your utilization low. Responsible credit behavior is the foundation of a strong CIBIL score and long-term financial health. Many believe closing unused credit cards will improve their score, but it often does the opposite. Closing cards reduces your total available credit and shortens your credit history. Keep old cards open unless there's a strong reason to close them. CIBIL offers alerts for any changes to your credit report. Signing up for these can help you spot unauthorized activity or errors quickly. Stay informed to keep your score safe. Apps like Cred and OneScore make it easy to track your CIBIL score and manage your credit cards. They offer reminders, insights, and even rewards for good behavior. Use these tools to stay on top of your credit health. If your score has taken a hit, don't panic. Focus on paying all bills on time, reducing your outstanding balances, and avoiding new credit applications for a while. With patience and discipline, your score will recover. Achieving an 800+ CIBIL score in India isn't about shortcuts, it's about smart, consistent habits. Start with the right products, use credit responsibly, monitor your report, and keep learning. With time, you'll unlock the best financial opportunities and enjoy the perks of a premium credit profile.